a time for everything. There is a time for work and play. There is a time for us to sing, and also time for us to pray. So let us sing in unity. Lift our hands and say, Our Father, propagate the destiny to say Sabah, to say Malaysia. There is a time to plant a tree. There is a time to till the land. There is a time to raise a family, and also time for harvesting. So let us sing in unity. Lift our hands and say, Our Father, propagate the destiny to save Sabah, to save Malaysia. Now is the time for us to pray in thanksgiving for what we have. Now is the time for us to say libera, malo. So let us sing in unity. Lift our hands and say, Our Father, propagate the destiny to save Sabah, to save Malaysia, to save Sabah, to save